Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Havoc. This one I'm going to show you my Starlink setup that we use while we're RVing. So right here you see that we have the Starlink. I have it mounted here to an Amazon speaker stand. I'll link to that in the description below. I purchased off of Etsy a 3D printed coupler that you can mount the Starlink to that. You'll see a lot of videos across on YouTube about how they do the Starlink with the flagpole mount, and I do have a flagpole mount. It's not up here right now, but if you'd like to see a video covering that, I can show you. But instead, I'm gonna show you a different one, mount it on the ground. And yes, the Starlink does come with a foot that you can put on the ground, but it's pretty low, and I get worried somebody's gonna run over it or I'll trip on it. So what I ended up doing is I cut the Starlink cable to about 20 feet so it can go up on the flagpole and still reach. And for this one, I just have it run across the ground. A couple of mats so we don't trip. And then I have a little waterproof pluggy down there, a little water resistant plug. All right, and then I got it run over here, side of our trailer. You can see, I'll get back over here. And what I did is I purchased a 50-foot network cable and a reel to make it really easy to kind of pick up and store. And I put a little network jack right up there inside of our basement. So I feed things up through the hole in the wet bay and just bring it up, plug it around right up there. And that makes it super easy. If for some reason the network cable that was with the Starlink broke or had an issue, you'd have to replace it, etc. But instead I cut it and was able to get it working with my own network cables. Let's go over here. Now we're on the other side. Ignore the mess, we're getting ready to pack up. And you can see here I mounted the Starlink modem, also 3D printed little mount there. And I didn't want to feed the cables in via the slide like a lot of people do, so what I did is I bought a coax to RJ45 and ran it through my cable connection because it goes out throughout the trailer. And I also have the Starlink network cable adapter that's right there. I forgot to put it in the holder for it mounted, and this works perfect. It runs right up to the back of the TV where I have my own router, so I can control my own network and Wi-Fi. And then I also have an extender up here, up top, and all I have to do literally is hit that little power button on the surge protector there. Powers everything up, and then when I'm done, I just stow everything away in a bin. So this works really well. I will put links down in the description below for everything that I showed you here. If for some reason you'd like me to kind of continue and showing you my complete network setup even behind the TV, let me know. I could do that little video for you. But yeah, that's how I do my Starlink when I'm not using the flagpole from Harbor Freight. All right, take care, be kind to each other. Until next time, GG.